What's going on, guys? I'm on my way to a listing appointment in Middletown. It's a 2-family house. Breakdown is 4/3 with the basement. There is a tenant in one of the units. The seller is looking to move to Arizona, so I'm just gonna run down the numbers. I'm also going to take a video of just one of the units. I believe the other tenant is not home, but at least you can see the condition. I'm super excited. I'm starting to tap into the Orange County. My main market is in the Bronx, so I'm just trying to expand and try, you know, other avenues, which I'm excited about. I love to challenge myself and try to push to see what opportunities are out. You know, I've grown fond of the Orange County area. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, 2-family house, 3/4. Beautiful garden in the front. Beautiful. There is a 2-car garage. You come in, there's a little front deck right here where you can sit. It's really beautiful. Super nice. Very quiet, open neighborhood. Nice neighborhood. Nice to meet you. Thank you for having me. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Come in.
Yeah, okay.
That's my sunroom.
Okay, that's okay. The sunroom is here.
Yeah, all my plants are there. This is the living room.
Living room? Okay, awesome. Okay.
This is one of the bedrooms.
One of the bedrooms. Got it. Okay. Very spacious bedrooms. Okay. Very nice. Yeah. Okay. Closet. One closet here. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Here. You have any issues with the roof? How long? Any issues with the roof?
No, the roof is what, 5 years old?
5 years old?
About 10 years old.
Okay.
No, I think it's less.
10.
10? So we got one here.
Unity is the most
Another bedroom.
Another bedroom.
Sorry about the mess. I just got back from vacation.
No worries, no worries.
Yeah.
Okay, good size.
Yes.
And then closet. No
Closet, we took it out.
Okay.
It was right here, but we're gonna extend it down. It's a big, deep one, and it's going down.
Got it.
Yep.
Okay.
It's a nice size closet.
Okay.
This is the bathroom.
The bathroom. This is one full bathroom.
Yep, it's one full bathroom. This
Okay.
jacuzzi.
Can I go inside?
Go ahead, go ahead.
All right,
Don't just stop.
All right. Awesome. Okay. And you said gas, right? These are full.
Yes.
Okay. Got it. Okay. Oh, big kitchen.
Yeah, big
very,
kitchen.
very
Yeah,
big
they're
kitchen.
Very deep cabinets. These are old cabinets.
Okay.
They're very, very deep.
Very good.
Look how deep
Okay.
they
And
are.
the diner? Okay.
They're really, really deep.
Got
And
it.
not your regular standard.
All right. There's
really deep.
cabinets. Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
That's my dining room. If you saw it, go ahead.
Okay. It's right here. It's a
Pretty
formal.
spacious. Yeah, very
Yeah.
formal.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love the chandeliers. It's nice. Okay. Yeah.
And there's another bedroom here. You can use it as an office, whatever. This is my favorite bedroom.
Super. Okay, nice. It's very cozy.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got a lot of things in here, so it looks
No.
bigger than what it is.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
no closet here. Oh,
Yeah,
closet
right
space
there. It's a
right
walk-in.
there. Okay,
Yeah, it's a
awesome.
nice big closet.
All right.
Yeah,
Almost
it's a
like
nice
a
big
walk-in.
closet.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. All right.
It's
and
an
then
old home.
it has a lot of character.
Yes,
it has
does.
a lot of
I'll
character.
take you in the back.
Okay.
Stay, Mama. It's very hot. This is the mud room.
The mud room.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Awesome. Yeah. I'll close the door.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'll close the door right here. Excuse
Go,
me.
Cujo, inside, Mama. Go.
Okay.
This is my
All right.
backyard. My favorite place.
Very, very pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Yeah. Love flowers.
Okay, you have a
love
little.
plants.
Oh,
There's
you
a
have
little
a
pizza
brick.
oven. Yeah.
Brick oven. Beautiful. Just
This
take a
we
look.
built ourselves all of it.
You guys did a wonderful job with this.
Yes,
Yeah. Do you know the dimensions here? No.
My husband might know. I'm
Okay.
not sure. But we're gonna build a piece back at the garage right there. A small piece.
Don't go back there. The dog's stepping this up. That's my garage.
That's your garage
Yeah, that's
here?
our garage.
Okay. And you said 2-car garage here, right?
Yeah, it's a
Two-car
two-car
garage.
garage.
2-car garage. Okay. Got it. All right.
That's my, I got another piece of land back here too.
That's
do
a
you?
gas fireplace right
Yeah?
there.
Okay.
That's a gas fireplace right there.
Gas fireplace.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
This one.
Right. Okay. So this whole stuff.
Doors goes
Yeah, you
all
go
the way
either
down.
way you would go.
Okay. And this is a shared driveway.
No, that's the
theirs?
other house.
All right. Got it. Okay. All right. We're going down the basement. All right.
Right your head. This
Okay.
one is low.
Low, low.
I made at least for my grandkids.
Oh wow! It's like a little playroom.
There's
Nice.
a playroom in here and everything.
Okay. Okay. Nice. Very nice.
That's
Okay. No TV here. No space. Okay.
that's my son's closet over here.
There's
He
a
has
closet. Okay.
He has his clothes, whatever.
Okay. A little walk-in closet here is really nice. All right. It's really
That's another closet in there.
another closet here. And then this is the utility room, right?
This is the furnace room. Got 2 hot waters.
2 hot waters. Okay. Is there a light here? Okay. Perfect.
2 hot waters. Heaters over here. One.
Okay.
That's mine. Upstairs I got hot air.
Hot air? Okay. Awesome. Okay. And then these 2 here. And then storage area right there as well, right? Good, I'm good. Let me see, let me see. Wow. That looks amazing.
That's small.
It smells so good. This is tripe.
Tripe.
Wow.
Tripe.
With potatoes and
Potato, celery,
celery. It
a
looks
little bit chili
amazing.
pepper in it.
Look at that. Oh man. So tempting. So
Do
tempting.
you want
But
to give you a little bit?
I'm on